Hey there, travel enthusiasts. Are you ready to make your next international trip smoother and more enjoyable? You know that feeling when you're jet-setting across the globe, passport in one hand, iced coffee in the other? It's electric. But let's be real, sometimes the actual part can be a little, shall we say, chaotic. Luggage mishaps, dead phones, running out of space in your perfectly packed suitcase. We've all been there. But guess what? It doesn't have to be a struggle. Stick around because today, I'm sharing the ultimate list of travel accessories every lady needs to conquer those travel hiccups and elevate your journey from start to finish. We're talking game changers, lifesavers, and those little luxuries that make you wonder how you ever traveled without them. Get ready to take some notes, because this is about to change your travel game forever. And don't forget to share your must-have international travel accessories in the comments below. Let's help each other travel like pros. All right, let's talk packing. We've all been there, staring into the abyss of an empty suitcase, wondering how we're gonna fit 2 weeks worth of outfits in there. The answer? Packing cubes, my friends. These little guys are about to become your new travel BFFs. Think of them as mini organizers for your suitcase. Clothes, underwear, shoes. They each get their own designated cube. No more digging through a black hole of clothes just to find that one sock. Plus, they help compress your clothes so you can actually fit more in your bag. Winning. Picture this. You've just landed in a new city, you're excited, maybe a little jet-lagged, and you're waiting at baggage claim, but your luggage is nowhere to be found. We've all been there, and it's the worst. But fear not, my friends, because luggage trackers are here to save the day. These little lifesavers are small enough to discreetly slip into your suitcase, and they use Bluetooth technology so you can track your bag's every move on your phone. Peace of mind? You got it? No more lost luggage anxiety, just pure travel bliss. Let's be real, ladies. We like our products. But who wants to lug around those bulky shampoo bottles and lotions? Not me. Enter travel containers, the ultimate solution for downsizing your beauty routine. These little guys come in all shapes and sizes, perfect for decanting your favorite shampoos, conditioners, lotions, and potions. Plus, they're leak-proof, so you don't have to worry about any spills in your bag. Goodbye, bulky bottles. Hello, travel-sized beauty essentials. We've all been there. You're at the check-in counter, your heart is racing as your bag hits the scale, and bam, overweight baggage fees. Talk about a mood killer. But fear not, my friends, because a luggage scale is about to become your new secret weapon. This compact little device is a lifesaver when it comes to avoiding those dreaded fees. Just hook it onto your bag, lift it up, and voila, you'll know exactly how much your bag weighs before you even get to the airport. No more surprises, just smooth sailing all the way to your destination. All right, let's talk laundry. Because, let's be real, sometimes accidents happen on the road. Spilled coffee, anyone? But who wants to pack a whole bottle of laundry detergent? Enter laundry detergent sheets. These things are a game changer. They're compact, lightweight, and perfect for hand washing your delicates or those accidental spills on the go. Just pop one in a sink of water and you're good to go. Clean clothes no matter where you are? Yes, please. Staying hydrated while you travel is super important, but who wants to keep buying single-use plastic bottles? Not only is it wasteful, but it's also expensive. Enter the refillable water bottle, your eco-friendly travel companion. There are so many stylish and functional options out there these days, from insulated bottles that keep your drinks cold for hours to collapsible ones that take up minimal space in your bag. Plus, you can easily refill them at airports and most cafes, saving you money and reducing your environmental impact. Win-win. Chapter 7. Compression socks. Long flights? No problem. Long flights can wreak havoc on your circulation, leaving your legs feeling swollen and uncomfortable. But there's a secret weapon to combating those in-flight woes: compression socks. Don't let the name fool you. These aren't your grandma's socks. No offense, Grandma. Compression socks come in all sorts of fun colors and patterns these days, and they work wonders for improving circulation and preventing swelling on those long-haul flights. Trust me, your legs will thank you. Chapter 8. Personalized Travel Map. Track your adventures in style. Remember that feeling of scratching off a destination on a scratch-off map? It's so satisfying. But let's be real, those maps can be a bit, well, basic. If you're looking for a more stylish and personalized way to track your adventures, a personalized travel map is where it's at. These maps are like works of art, and you can customize them with your name, favorite quote, or even a special date. Every time you visit a new place, you can mark it on your map with a pin or a sticker. It's a beautiful and unique way to document your travels and create a lasting keepsake of your adventures. Let's be real, getting a good night's sleep while traveling can be a challenge. Noisy hotels, bright lights, uncomfortable seats, it's enough to make anyone feel sleep-deprived. But fear not, weary travelers, because the Bluetooth sleep eye mask is here to save the day. This genius invention not only blocks out light, but it also connects to your phone via Bluetooth so you can listen to relaxing music or white noise while you drift off to dreamland. It's like having your own personal sleep sanctuary, no matter where you are in the world. There's nothing worse than arriving at your destination, excited to capture all the memories on your phone, only to realize your charger won't fit in the outlet. Don't let that be you. A travel adapter and voltage converter is a non-negotiable for any international traveler. It not only allows you to plug your devices into outlets in different countries, but it also converts the voltage to ensure your electronics are protected. Because the last thing you want is to fry your phone or laptop in a foreign country. We live in a digital world, and our phones are our lifelines. But what happens when you're on the go and your battery starts to dwindle? Cue the panic. A portable power bank is a must-have for any traveler who relies on their phone for navigation, communication, or just snapping those Instagram-worthy shots. These little powerhouses come in a variety of sizes and capacities, so you can choose one that fits your needs and your bag. Just make sure it's fully charged before you head out the door and you'll be good to go. There you have it, folks. My top 11 must-have travel accessories for ladies. With these essentials in your suitcase, you'll be ready to conquer any travel challenge that comes your way. Remember, traveling is all about embracing the unexpected, but it's always better to be prepared. These accessories will help you stay organized, comfortable, and connected, so you can focus on what really matters, creating unforgettable memories. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, please share this video with your friends and colleagues who need to see it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more travel tips and hacks. Safe travels.